All right, it's Tuesday, May 14th. Just following up on Microsoft, you can see after breaking out above the first bar high, it's continued up to its first target, the pre-market highs. So I scaled out here to set up a no-risk trade. I bought the stock as described in the previous video, 414.25, scaled out at 415.25, a point higher. And now we get to see at this inflection point what happens next. On the daily chart, we're just inside of yesterday. It had a little bit of a red sell-off to start the week with a buying tail in here. Overall, the big context is to the upside on this stock. It kind of made lower lows down here. We're trying to get back up to higher highs. This red bar is kind of a pause in that uptrend. And then today you got that opening price action that came to the bottom of the range, but then immediately paused, and then broke out above that first bar high. So you had that target here of the pre-market highs, which we hit. Now I set up a no-risk trade, lowers my break-even stop to kind of around here, the midpoint of the first bar, if everything should fail. Ideally, it just pauses up here. It has two pushes up for the rest of the day, and at some point I'll raise my break-even stop up to a small gain stop type of thing. So no risk right now. You can see this next target's kind of right up here. There's liquidity. It was selling, came in at the open yesterday, so we'll see if it gets up in this area, what really develops in here. Hard to say. Sometimes that's good resistance, but for now, that was a high probability follow through to this target, and we'll just see if we can get a nice base hit gain in one push up, pause, second push up towards the top of yesterday's range at no risk.